Israel-Iran conflict impact on Indian stock market and global economy explained. Welcome back to my channel Finance Sikho India. Today we will talk about, is the Middle East on the brink of a major war again? Tensions between Israel and Iran are escalating rapidly, and this could impact your investments, oil prices, and even the Indian stock market. Let's break it down. What's happening? Iran and Israel have had strained ties for decades. But in recent weeks, Israel allegedly targeted Iranian military bases, and Iran has responded with drone and missile attacks. This conflict, if it escalates, could destabilize the entire Middle East region, a critical zone for global oil supply. Impact on oil prices. Why should investors care? Because 30% of the world's oil flows through the Strait of Hormuz, near Iran. If that supply is disrupted, crude oil prices could spike from $80 to over $100 per barrel. Impacting fuel prices in India. Transportation costs. Inflation impact on Indian stock market. A rise in oil prices is bad news for India. We import over 85% of our crude oil. This could lead to fall in Nifty, Sensex. Pressure on oil marketing companies like HPCL, BPCL. Auto stocks, aviation, and paints could take a hit due to rising input costs. What should investors do? In times of geopolitical tension, investors typically move to gold as a safe haven. Defensive sectors like FMCG and farm high dividend stocks to avoid panic selling. Instead, focus on quality stocks and diversification. Stay updated, but don't let fear drive your decisions. Conclusion plus call to action. The Israel-Iran tension is serious and the markets are watching closely. Stay informed, stay calm, and if you're investing for the long term, don't make emotional moves. If market crashes, it will be opportunity for more investment. Follow Finance Sikho India for weekly videos that help you make smarter financial decisions. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice or a recommendation to buy or sell any securities. All opinions expressed are those of the presenter and based on publicly available information at the time of recording. Please consult a certified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. The geopolitical situation discussed in this video is evolving, and information may change. Finance Sikho India does not take responsibility for any losses or decisions made based on this content. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share this with fellow investors.